Hey home shoppers, I'm Greg Luchak and today I'm bringing you a beautiful home that features amazing location, style, and flexible living options, all right here at 1310 Bison Ridge Drive. We are in the Rockrimmon area, one of Colorado Springs' most sought after communities, specifically the Eagle's Nest neighborhood, which is known for its quiet setting, mature surroundings, and incredible access to the outdoors. One of the big perks here, the HOA maintains exterior landscaping all around the home, so you get a clean, well-kept look without spending your weekends working outside. And location-wise, it really doesn't get any better. You're just steps from Ute Valley Park, one of the best trail systems in the city for hiking, biking, and enjoying Colorado's outdoor lifestyle. This home features 3 bedrooms, plus a dedicated study, 3 full bathrooms, and over 3,300 square feet of finished living space. Notice that spacious 2-car garage. And before we head inside, a quick but important update. This home has a brand new roof, giving you peace of mind right out the gate. Now let's take a look inside. As you enter, you'll immediately notice the vaulted ceilings and beautiful hardwood floors that run throughout the majority of the main level, which create a bright, open, and cohesive feel. The main living area is anchored by a beautiful stone-clad gas fireplace, making this space both comfortable and inviting, whether you're entertaining or just relaxing at home. This is a true ranch-style floor plan, meaning everyday living is easy and extremely efficient. The kitchen has been beautifully remodeled and features 2-tone cabinets, quartz countertops, elegant gold accents, and a layout that flows seamlessly into the living and dining areas. It's functional as well, with a gas range, large pantry, and deep farmhouse-style sink. On the main level, you'll find 2 bedrooms, including a stunning primary suite. The primary bedroom offers a peaceful retreat, complete with direct walkout access to the backyard. The vaulted ceilings make this already large room feel even bigger, and the spacious walk-in closet offers ample storage space. The primary bathroom has been beautifully updated, including this showstopper walk-in shower. The secondary bedroom on the main level is spacious, offers LVP floors, an updated ceiling fan, a large closet, and big vaulted ceilings. The main level study has beautiful double French doors, those real hardwood floors, and again, those double height ceilings. Just off the foyer, there's a mudroom that connects directly to that large 2-car garage. The washer and dryer are included, as well as a laundry sink and additional cabinetry, making this a highly functional everyday space. Now let's head downstairs. The finished basement is perfectly set up as a secondary living space. You'll find luxury vinyl plank flooring, which looks great and holds up very well to everyday use. The large family room is centered around a stone surround fireplace, creating a cozy and inviting space that works perfectly for movie nights, guests, or extended family. I love this secondary kitchenette, complete with its own built-in island with counter bar, granite countertops, and its very own pantry. Another standout feature, the basement includes a second set of washer and dryer, along with an additional laundry sink, giving this level true independence from the main floor. The basement also features a huge 3rd bedroom, which offers tons of closet space, private access to the adjacent full bathroom, and new, comfortable carpet. This home offers a rare combination of location, low-maintenance living, and flexible space, all in one of Colorado Springs' most desirable neighborhoods. Whether you're looking for main-level living, room for guests, or a true secondary living setup, this home certainly delivers. Thanks so much for coming on this tour of 1310 Bison Ridge Drive. For more information, visit our website, www.makespringshome.com. Or I'd love to give you a private tour. You can call me directly at 719-271-8888. Thanks so much for coming on this tour. See you on the next one.